Hey everyone, today we're diagnosing and fixing the P2253 trouble code, which points to an issue with the oxygen sensor's positive current control circuit. If your check engine light is on and you've scanned this code, don't worry, we've got you covered. The P2253 code means that the upstream oxygen sensor, also known as bank 1, sensor 1, has a high voltage reading in the positive current control circuit. This sensor plays a critical role in fuel mixture adjustments, so any malfunction can affect engine performance and fuel efficiency. Check engine light is on. Decreased fuel efficiency. Rough idling or hesitation during acceleration. Increased emissions. OBD to scanner. Multimeter. Basic hand tool socket set. Wrench. Replacement oxygen sensor if necessary. Safety gear, gloves, and safety glasses. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections. Wire harness and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the code using your OBD to scanner and start the engine. Monitor the scanner to ensure the P2253 code doesn't return. Also, take the car for a test drive to confirm everything's running smoothly. And that's it. Fixing a P2253 code is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.